Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create your YouTube video account. This video will walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube homepage. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. If you don't already have a Google account, click on Create Account instead. Step 3. Fill in your information, including your desired email address and password. Make sure to choose a secure password and remember to keep it safe. Step 4. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Next or Create Account to proceed. Step 5. You'll be asked to enter your phone number for verification purposes. Don't worry, this information will be kept secure. Step 6. Enter the verification code sent to your phone and click on Verify to continue. Step 7. Congratulations! You've successfully created your YouTube video account. Now you can start customizing your profile by adding a profile picture and personalizing your channel's logo and banner. Step 8. To upload your first video, click on the camera icon in the upper right corner and select Upload Video. Choose the file from your computer and fill in the necessary details. Step 9. Finally, click on Publish to make your video live on YouTube. That's it. You've gone through the steps to create your YouTube video account. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.